Hello, sir. I'm Muhammad Ali, the CEO of Aliwave Digital Solution, and today we are going to discussion about Google suspension issue. And if I talk about Google suspension and why it's got suspended and how to fix it, and generally, yeah, you know that there is too many reasons for the suspension of Google Ads. One of the circumventing issue, suspicious payment issue, unaccepted business policy issue, and also there is some disapproved issue. For example, circumventing issue, malicious software issue, compromise site issue, past violation, and lots of reason. So here I am talking about myself to how to fix it and how to we can work. And let's discuss about myself that I am Muhammad Ali, and generally I work only working for Google Earth suspension, and during 2 years I have fixed lots of suspended account. If I show you some real proof, you can see this my Gmail. If I click on it, then you can see, okay, for example, let's again scroll it, okay, and if I show you this Google is deactivated, you can see the loads of account that I have reactivated. You can see 10 days ago, we have some good news, our account is review and it's deactivated. And also if you see another one, this is 13th September, our team has reviewed your account. We have you to let you know that it has been deactivated. So all of that circumventing issue and suspicious payment issue, and also other lots of reason. Here you can see that there is 7th September. We are happy to let you know your account is deactivated. Also there I have lots of access that I only work for this. If you see that is 8 July, your account has been reactivated. Okay, so there is lots of mail and lots of account that I reactivated during 2 years. And if there is lots of, this is another my another account, another mail. And if you see that, if I see that this is also there are lots of account, your account has been reactivated. I have lots of account. If I check another my another mail, you can see that if I search on it, the account is activated. Just see there's lots of access. Okay, I know how to play with Google. So you see that your Google account has been reactivated. So there's lots of access and lots of successful story that I carry. Okay, so if you face Google as disapprove or Google as suspension issue, please you can easily contact with us at Aliwave Digital Solution, and we're always ready for help you to work on your cases. And I wish we can fix it and we can make you happy. So you can see there is this is our Facebook page, and also you can knock us on our email aliwavevisualsolution@gmail.com. There is our WhatsApp link. So there is you can see. Okay, so that's it, and I hope we can get in touch soon, and we will working on it. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you.